Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to crochet the cupcake stitch. I'm using 3 different colors and a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, but you can just use whatever yarn and hook you want to use. So let's get started. I'm going to start by making a slip knot, and our chain is going to be a multiple of 6 plus 4. So that means you keep chaining multiples of 6, and then when you get the length you want, you chain an extra 4. I'm going to chain 22. Go into the second chain from your hook and make a single crochet, and you're just going to make 1 single crochet in every chain down your row. Switch my color to whatever color you're using for the bottom of your cupcake. You just start it with a nice single crochet row so it's nice and sturdy across the bottom. Cut off your first color and add your next color. Then you're going to chain 2, turn your work. And we're going to make 1 double crochet in that very first stitch. Skip over the first stitch and chain 1. In that second stitch, you're going to make 2 double crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. And in the stitch after that, make 2. And that is the bottom of your cupcake. So now we're going to chain 1, skip over the next stitch, work into the stitch after that, make 2 double crochets. In the stitch after that, 1, and then 2 in the next. You should be able to continue this repeat a couple more times if you've done the number of stitches I have, and then you'll be left with 2 stitches at the end, and I'll show you what to do. Row, you're just going to make a double crochet in that very last stitch, and then we are going to change our color. I'm going to use pink. I'm just going to yarn over with it and change my color. Chain 1 and then turn your work. You're going to work a single crochet in that very first stitch, the double crochet you made. Then there was a chain 1 space, so you're going to go into that chain 1 space and make a single crochet. Then you have your 5 double crochets, so you're going to make a single crochet into every single one of those. So we are just making single crochets all the way down this row, and you are going to make a single crochet in between that chain 1 space as well. change your color or leave it. I'm just going to leave my color. And I'm going to chain 2 and make a double crochet in that first stitch. Chain 4. Skip over that next single crochet, go into the next, and we are going to make a double crochet 5 together, but don't forget to skip over that stitch before you do your double crochet 5 together. Yarn over, and you should have 6 loops on your hook, and you're going to yarn over and pull through all 6. And that is your frosting for your cupcake. So then we are going to chain 5, skip over that next stitch, go into the next, and we are going to make another double crochet 5 together. Yarn over and pull through all 6, and then chain 5. You're going to repeat the same pattern all the way down the row. Your last cupcake, you're going to chain 4 and make a double crochet in that final stitch. I'm going to switch back to the color I used for the first row, so you can cut this color off and change back to that color. You're just going to then chain 1 and turn your work. Then you're going to make a single crochet in that very first stitch. Then next we have our chain 4, so you're going to make 3 single crochets into that chain 4. Then we have our chain 5, and you're going to make 6 single crochets into that chain 5 space. Next is another chain 5, so 6 single crochets. Next, another chain 5, so 6 single crochets. Next is our chain 4, so 3 single crochets. And then finish it off with a single crochet in that last stitch. Now we are going to repeat the same thing from before. We're going to change to our brown color and repeat this row again. Chain 2 and turn your work. Make 1 double crochet in that very first stitch. Chain 1, skip over 1 stitch, work into the second, and make 2 double crochets. Make 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and 2 double crochets into the stitch after that. Chain 1, skip over 1 stitch, and repeat the same thing from before. 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet in the next, and then 2 double crochets in the next. We're repeating the same thing from row 2. your color back to your pink or whatever color you're using for the frosting. And then you can cut off the brown yarn. Crochet in that first stitch. Make a single crochet in that chain 1 space. And then make 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches. We're going to repeat this all the way down the row. Chain 2 and turn your work. Make a double crochet in that very first stitch and then chain 4. Skip over 1 stitch, go into the next, and we are going to make a double crochet 5 together. And we are repeating what we did for the 4th row. 6 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 6, then chain 5. Repeat this same pattern all the way down your row, skip over 1 stitch, and then in the next make a double crochet 5 together and over the next 5 stitches. Finished cupcake stitch. I did do a single crochet border around the outside of it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you next time.